Hey YouTube, how's it going? Went to Walmart, got some more stuff as always. Um, got it right here. I don't know why my music's not playing. Anyway, so yeah, they had 4 rack packs, or as they call them, value packs. There you go, value. And they also had only 1 box, and it looks like somebody tried to eat it. But so anyway, yeah, that's the way it is. So let me even you out just a wee bit, and we'll get to popping. So got a quick shout out. It's kind of returning the favor. He gave me a shout out, so I'm gonna give him one. Mike Line, you guys check him out. He is pretty freaking awesome. He's got a lot of really cool videos, box breaks, pack breaks, stuff like that. So yeah, just go ahead and check him out. Let me see real quick here. There we go. Mike Line 2010 is his name, and we bring him up right here. Mike Line TV is what I got on here, and that's his picture. He does a video every Monday night as well as other stuff. So you know, lots of videos. He does mostly baseball. I mean, no, he actually does baseball and football. So mostly baseball and football. He throws a comic book or something in there every once in a while. So yeah, go check him out. He's a great guy. Sub to his channel. You'll love it. Let me do the racks first. Oh, and I see I got a new video to watch from Branch Rickey. If you haven't subbed to them as well, awesome people here. Let me go away real quick here. Branch Rickey. Let me get as close. There we go. And this one, they do wax pack parties, and this one is Dallas. They've done Goonies and Star Wars and Gremlins. I think Gremlins, maybe not Gremlins, but anyway, they've done a lot of cool breaks. And yeah, I watched every single one of theirs, and they're just awesome. It's a husband and wife, or boyfriend and girlfriend. I haven't asked, don't know for sure, but they just they rock the pack breaks. Mike Wallace, Pede, Will Fork, Seymour, Rakpo, Palomalu, Vreen, Gore. And then backwards we have Terrence Williams, Extra Points, Blue. I've been getting one of these per box. They're not numbered. Pretty cool. Terrence Williams. Cowboys, and 3rd round, so not that great. Luke Jokel, and Mr. Wood, Bush, Jennings, Jones, Finley, Cutler, Gabbert, Gordon, Mendenhall, Miller, Breeze, Rice, Kerrigan, Bradford, Ridley, Davis, Wilson, David, Jackson. A couple more rookies here. We've got Jonathan Franklin and Zach Dysart, Broncos. Bryant, Clay Matthews, Marshall, Shorts the third, Cribbs, Peterson, Stafford, Kolb, and Posey. As always, if it's not Indianapolis Colts, it more than likely will be for trade. Amendola, Crabtree, Cruz, Martin, Reese, Marcel Reese. What the heck? Okay. Tannehill, AP, Ryan Matthews. I have a couple here. We've got Christine Michael, Star Leolula Totolioli, and Jordan Reed. Mike Williams, Wes Welker, Jackson, Schaub, Hall, Peyton Manning, Ray Rice, Nelson, Stewart, Brown, Clark, Foles, Hartline, Givens, Mike Williams, McFadden, Davis, Miller. Rookie, we have Monte Ball. That's a decent one. And Deion Sims, Johnson, Haha, that's funny. Forte, Todd Thomas, Peta, Cobb, Olsen, Freeman, and Little. Just Wright, Brown, Graham, Freeman, Ford, Moss, Dwyer, Jared Allen. We have Justin Hunter, prestigious picks. Sam Montgomery and Hankins. James Jones, Williams, Vic Ballard, Ray Magalugala, Larry Fitzgerald and Eric Decker, Reggie Wayne, Hawkins, Alex Smith, Eli, Vincent Moore, Alfred Morris, Redmond, Brady, Kaepernick, Hakeem Nicks, Big Ben Roethlisberger, and just a second here. Okay, so we got Aaron Malit, Marcus Latimer, Donald Brown, Whedon, Floyd, McGahee, Suggs, the law firm, Moeka, Sean Lee, and Torrey Smith. And these are rack packs. They've probably been picked through, so any jerseys and stuff like that have probably already been pulled out of them. You know, that's what them old pack searchers get to do. Brown, Kyle Rudolph, McKnight, Washington, Brown, Ponder, Floyd, Sproles, Harvin. Rookie, we got Michael and Glennon. Cambo, we got Andrew Luck, Green, Charles, Witten, Flacco, Bush, Smith, Romozo, Gates, Johnson, Mike Vick, Jennings, Meacham, Ingram, Sherman, Flynn, Garcon. We got purple. We got Xavier Rhodes and Logan Ryan, DeMarcus Ware, Aaron Rodgers, LaFell, T.Y. Hilton, Gresham, Palmer, Jackson, and Pettigrew. Alright, that's it for the rack packs, and let's go into these guys here. And earlier, the extra points said I've been getting one per box, and that was out of a pack, so hey, we'll see. Denard Robinson picks, and Eric Rogers, Lee, Smith, Jones, Locker, and that's, so yeah, I got that one out of a rack pack, so should be getting one out of a box here too. Rookie is Tavon Austin. Williams, Ballard, Malala, Fitzgerald. We got Nasib and Robert Woods. Oh man. Long day, long day. Eric Decker, Reggie Wayne, Hawkins Smith. Rookie is Jarvis Jones. Where Ridley Davis Wilson. Aaron Rodgers, T.Y. Hilton, Gresham. Rookie is Tyler Bray. Palmer, Jackson, Pettigrew, Newton, Andrew Luck. The rookie is Kerwin Williams, Seymour Rakpo, Palomalu Green. Green, Jamal Flacco, Ray Graham, and Passports, Kenny Stills. Big old Sooners. Kenny Stills, the Sooner, Boomer Sooner. Alright, last pack we got Bush. Reggie Bush could be a Lion, wow. Panthers, Cowboys, Falcons. Marcus Latimer is the extra points blue. Like I said, getting one per box on those blues. And then the rookie is Escobar. Gavin Escobar. Givens, Mike Williams, Darren McFadden. So, No big hits, few decent little cards. Marcus Latimer blue is halfway decent, I'm sure. So yeah, a couple of you guys have asked for a couple of videos. I'll try to get those up as soon as possible. But other than that, that's kind of a boring-ish box, but I'll get over it. Can't think of anything else. I've been waiting for a package to come in the mail that hasn't come yet because the person hasn't mailed it yet. And if you're still watching the videos, you know, like I've said before, that's kind of messed up, but you know, we'll see. Because you've been answering my emails, and I mean, you might be giving me the runaround, but you've at least been answering them and haven't been avoiding me. I haven't been telling everybody it's a scam yet, so we'll find out about that one soon. But yeah, so anyway guys, I'll have more videos up as soon as I can, and you guys have a great one. See you later, bye.